I applied for Viking for my future. For me, for my future, I would like to have a very good background, a very good repertoire. When you say Viking, Viking has five-star quality of food, like where I'm working now is in the kitchen. So they have all the fine dining cuisine with having top notch of the recipe, fresh food, fresh ingredients, and top grade recipes. Viking company culture goes in every single way. They respect all the culture. We even celebrate all the cultures from the smallest group of people to the highest numbers of population on board. When it comes to the equipment that I need, the information that I need, the data that I need, the recipe, the manpower that I need, and the support, all the information that I need to do on a daily basis, and they're always there. That's the things that I love most on the Viking side. They listen.